Hello, you beautiful fitness people. So I've had a request to go through business planning as part of the level 3 portfolio. So if you go to the budget section in your learner achievement portfolio, we can have the budget overview. So the budget overview will do planning, preparation and launch costs. It will also cover a profit and loss and expenditure, cash flow in, cash flow out, and also the formulation for gross and net profit. So let's look at them individually. So your planning costs. How much is it going to cost you to plan your business? So I need a business license. I need a premises. If you're opening a gym, for example, I need a vehicle. So if I'm doing one-on-one personal training outside of the gym, I can drive to my clients and drive back. And also insurance. I will need to insure myself against any claims to protect myself. So the costs required. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. Make sure you write 4 items in each of the boxes. The preparation costs. Okay, I've got my planning done. Now I'm preparing to open my business. So what do I need in order to open the business? So I need staff. For example, if I'm opening a gym, how much is it going to cost me per month for my staff? Booking software. So I need my clients to be able to book online and pay online, for example. Uniform, so we're all looking the same. If we're all using the same gym, we're working and we're dressed the same. And then the equipment to put inside the gym. Remember, this is if you're opening a gym. The equipment could be free weights, machine weights, cardiovascular machines. If you're a freelance personal trainer, it could mean kettlebells, slam balls, battle ropes, alternative functional equipment. Then how much is it going to cost me to launch my business? So this is a one-off cost. So here I've written SEO and socials. So I get all my social media presence and my SEO. So I'm going as high as I can on internet searches. I'm going to have an event. So I'm going to book a room in a hotel, for example, and invite maybe 100, 200 people to the event where I can meet, greet myself, talk a little about myself and my vision for the gym. I can do leaflets and put an advertisement in a magazine, so printed media. And then I can get some freebies like t-shirts, stress balls, water bottles. So anything like this that you can launch your business. Remember, your planning, your preparation and your launch costs are part of your CapEx, which is your capital expenditure. They're mostly one-off costs. Let's now look at your profit and loss account. So we've got income, we've got Q1, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4. The information I put in here, for example, number 1, PT sessions, I've got from this breakdown here. So I've told myself that income, I want 500,000 dirhams per year. I only want to work for 48 weeks in a year because I want 4 weeks holidays. Then I only want to work 5 days per week. And in those 5 days, I only want to work 8 hours per day. So I need to charge 260 dirhams per session for 8 hours per day. That is where I got the income for PT sessions from. Guys, there's 1, 2, 3 boxes. You make sure you put in 1, 2, 3 items for income, Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. Let's look now at your expenditure. These are monies or your cost of sales that you're going to have to pay out in order for you to deliver your personal training sessions. So here, for example, expenditure, I've written here rent, 10,000 dirhams per month, DIWA, so that's going to cover AC and electric, water, a vehicle, I'm going to rent for 3,000 or I'm going to buy on hire purchase, 5,000 for marketing, fuel, equipment, business license, and then salaries. So I'm going to pay salaries. Okay, so this is all expenditure. So this comes out 153 per month or per quarter. Here, operating costs, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. Now, I've done straight line expenses. So I'm saying over the 4 months, I'm going to earn the same income. However, it doesn't normally work like this. Our business in personal training is normally seasonal. So you would expect to make, for example, a lot of money in January, February, March. Then you may be quiet May. Then you may get busier in June. Then in the summer, July, August, you may get quieter. You may get quieter in September with parents coming back from holidays and getting their kids ready for schools. You may be busy October, November, and then it's on the run up to Christmas or any other religious holiday such as Ramadan. So this is a flat line income and flat line expense. But remember, if you're doing yours, you may want to evaluate when you're going to be at peaks and when you're going to be at troughs. Okay, so operating expenditure. Then I've got my cash flow. So cash in is the income that is coming in. Okay, and the cash out is money coming back out of the business. So here, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, you can see I'm minus 28,000 dirhams. So in order for me to get that into the black and out of the red, I need to generate more revenue or cut back on my expenses. Now let's look over here where we've got gross profit and net profit. The formula is the revenue for gross profit is revenue minus cost of goods. Okay, revenue minus cost of goods. For example, I put in here 500,000, and net profit is the gross profit minus expenses. So here I put in 612,000. So the 1 year projection is for my business to be in minus 112,000 dirhams, which is a minus 22%. Okay, so I'll just take a little step back. Remember guys, you need to fill in 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 in order to meet the criteria in your learner achievement portfolio. So have a little look. If you've got any questions, leave me a comment or contact me through the social medias. If this is helpful, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Thanks very much.